Hi, and welcome to Campus Mortgage, the mortgage industry's leading provider of underwriting, processing, quality control, servicing, and closing training. Before we get started, please take a moment to read Campus Mortgage's disclaimer and keep in mind the information contained in this video is time sensitive and subject to change without notice. So let's get started. Today, we will be discussing part 2 of a 3-part video series, which will cover Fannie Mae desktop underwriting tips. Desktop Underwriter, what is it? First, I'd like to point out that Desktop Underwriter is commonly referred to as a DU report or DU approval. And what the DU is an automated program used by loan originators to qualify a borrower, and this DU report is used by Fannie Mae. So today we're going to go ahead and start off with findings, the actual day one certainty section. This section is new. As an underwriter, I really like this new section provided. And in this section, you will find the appraisal waiver, if there is one. So that appraisal waiver is commonly referred to as a PIW, and instead of having to look for that document, now you can see on the DU if that document has been provided, is needed, or is not needed. Also, you're going to also find the collateral rep and warrant information in this section. So as an underwriter, I'm really excited for this change. Another section I'd like to point out are the verification messages and approval conditions. A few to point out here is if the loan requires private mortgage insurance. So this is a quick area to reference if that type of insurance is needed on the file. You're also going to see if the case file number has already been used through the desktop underwriter system. So this is going to flag you as an underwriter that you're going to need those prior reports if you don't have access to them. So this is a good indicator for you to look out for. Also here, you're going to find the number of financed homes that the borrower actually has. So this is a really important section to look to see, because this is going to affect your assets and how many months reserves you're going to need in assets. Credit and liabilities. I did put this on here. I feel these are very important sections as an underwriter to pay close attention to. One, the credit report is going to show you the FICO series for each borrower. If there's just one, then you'll see which mid score to use. If there's 2 or more borrowers, then it's a good place to go and compare everything closely to make sure that you're using the correct mid FICO score. You're also going to see the credit pool date, and that is very important to pay attention to, because you don't want your credit report to be expired. Also, the liabilities paid off section. If it is a refinance, you're going to look at this section and see what is required by this loan to be paid off. So a good reference tool. That concludes part 2 of this 3-part video series. For more tips, videos, and for a full list of courses offered by Campus Mortgage, please visit our website at www.campusmortgage.org. Thank you, and as always, make it a great day.